Good morning, Honors Geometry. This video is to provide you with the 10.2 samples for March 24th, 2020. Our samples 1 through 3 will have 2 different questions each. The first question will be, is the arc a major arc, minor arc, or semicircle? Once you have determined the answer to that question, then you'll move on to what is the arc measure of the given arc. We have a diagram that is drawn over to the right. Notice that I have noted it's not drawn to scale. It doesn't have to be, but it'll give you the visual information you need to answer the questions for sample 1 through 3. Anything that I wrote in red on that diagram is information I figured out. Anything that's in black is given information. So we do have a circle with a 30-degree and a 75-degree angle marked in. You were told that D, B, and AF are in fact diameters of circle C. That will be important information to determine where you have 180-degree arcs. First question, what is the measurement of arc EB, and is it a major, minor arc, or is it a semicircle? To figure out the measurement of arc EB, let's find it on the circle. That's from here to here. It is a minor arc because it has 2 letters, so we're going the short route. And to figure out that information for its measurement of the number of degrees, we know that DB is a diameter, so this large arc is 180 degrees. If we take off this 30-degree measurement, we'll be left with E to B. That's why we subtract 180 minus 30 to arrive at our answer, 150 degrees for that minor arc. Sample 2 asks you to figure out the measurement for arc BEF. It is a major arc. We notice that we're going to go the long route from B through E to F. That's more than 180 degrees, making it a major arc. Since we know from B to D it's 180 degrees, since BD is a diameter, and we can figure out that this must be 75 degrees because we do have vertical angles here. So when we add the 180 and the 75 degrees together, we will arrive at the answer 255 degrees for the measurement of arc BEF. For BFD, so we're going to go the long way, BFD. Well, we're noticing that actually it's just from B to D, which is the diameter, so that means it's going to be 180 degrees, which means it's a semicircle. Or we could subtract 360 minus what we know the measurement of this is. We know altogether 75 plus 75 plus 30 is 180, so 360 minus 180 would give us the same answer. Last sample. Draw the circle with the given characteristics, and then find the measurement of angle BAE. So I've drawn a circle here, and then you need to put all the information in red based on what you're told. So this is our diagram for sample 4 once we've read through it and discovered that in circle C, the measurement of arc AD is 50 degrees, and since B bisects AD, and AE is the diameter, we can conclude that from the arc AB, so this angle ACB must be half of 50 or 25 degrees. So that's where I get the 25 here. And then when we figure out the measurement of the arc BAE, we know that AE is a diameter, so that means from A to E, it's 180 degrees, plus the 25 degrees from A to B. We add those together to find the measurement of arc BAE, which is 205 degrees. We don't have to state whether it's a major, minor, or semicircle, major, minor arc, or semicircle, just the measurement. And that concludes our samples for today. Please review these. Make sure that you have these in your notes for your lesson, and when you're ready, move on to the quiz for this lesson, and we'll see you next time in guided practice.